An island of the west of Ireland. Cottage kitchen with nets, oilskins, spinning wheel, some new birds standing by the wall. Kathleen, a girl of about 20, finishes kneading bread and puts it down in the pot oven by the fire. Then wipes her hands and begins to stitch. Nora, a young girl, puts her head in at the door.
Where is she?
Lying down. What is it you have?
The young priest is after bringing them is a shirt and a plain stocking were got from a drowned man in Donegal. We have to find out if that is Michael's things.
How would it be Michael's things, Nora? How we would go off the way to the far north?
The young priest say he is no. The like of it. If that is Michael's things, we have to tell him. He's got a clean burial by the grace of God, and if it's not, we don't have to tell him.
Did you ask him to stop Bartley going his day with the horses to the Galway fair?
He says, I won't stop him, but don't be afraid. Should those praying throughout the night, and Almighty God won't leave her destitute with no son living.
Is the sea bad by the White Rocks, Nora?
There's a great roaring in the west, and it's worse. Shall I open it now?
Maybe she'd wake up on us and come in before we're done. It's a long time will be, and the none of us crying.
She's moving about on the bed. She'll be coming in a minute.
I'll put them up in the turn loft. The way she won't know of them at all.
Enough you have for this day and evening?
There's a cake baking at the fire for a short space, and Bartley will want it.
He won't go this day, with the wind rising from the south and west. He won't go this day, for the priest will stop him surely.
He'll not stop him, mother. I heard Enon Simon and Stephen, Pity and Colum show saying he would go.
Where is he? Itself.
He went down to see would there be another boat sailing in the week, and I'm thinking it won't be long till he's here now, for the tide's turning at the green head.
I hear someone passing the big stones.
He's coming now, and he in hungry.
New rope, Kathleen.
Give it to him, Nora. It's on a nail by the white boards.
Is that it, Bartley?
You do right to leave, Mother Bartley. It will be needed in this place. I'm telling you, if Michael is washed up tomorrow morning or next morning or any morning in the week, for it's a deep grave will make him by the grace of God.
I've no halter the way I can ride down on the mare, and I must go now quickly.
What may I leave? And the girls with me, and I am old woman looking for the grave.
Is she coming to the pier?
She's passing the green hat and leaping on her sails.
I'll have hop on her to go down, and you'll see me coming again in 2 days.
Wait down!
He's gone now. God spare us and will not see him again.
Why wouldn't you give him your blessings? Nora, we forget his bit of bread. Now, go down to the spring and give it to him, and you will say, God speed you, the way he'll be easy in his mind.
Will I be it as soon as himself?
If you go now quickly.
Maurya goes out slowly. Nora gets the bundle that they hid a while ago to make sure if that is Michael's things.
Is she gone?
She's gone now. Throw it down quickly. Nora, get the other sleeve on the corner and they compare it. It's the same stuff, Nora, but isn't it? Maybe many other men may have a shirt of it as well.
It's Michael. Kathleen, it's Michael. God spare his soul. And what will Maurya say if she hears this story and Bartley is one the sea?
Is she coming, Nora? I hear a little sound on the path.
She is. She's coming up to the door.
Give him his bit of bread. Did you see him riding down? God forgive you. Will you please tell me what you see him making something for a thing that done? Did you see Bartley? I seen the fearfulest thing. Let us what is you seen. I went down to the spring well and I stood there saving a prayer to myself. I seen Michael himself. Mother, if this wasn't Michael you see, for his body is after being found in the far north. I see him and he's riding and galloping. Bartley come first and I tried to say God speed you, but something called the words in my throat. He went by quickly. I looked up then and I tied clothes and I crying at the brave pony and there was Michael upon it with time clothes on him and new shoes. It is patch of or Michael or what is it at all? It's Michael, God spare him, for thereafter sending a bit of his clothes from the far north. Give me clothes that belong to Michael. Did you hear that, Kathleen? Did you hear noise in the north? There's someone after crying out by the sea. It is Bartley, it is. It is surely. God rest his soul. What way as he drowned? The grey pony knocked him into the sea and he was washed out where there is a great surf on the white rock. Maurya knelt down at the head of the table. Kathleen and Nora kneel at the other end of the table. The men kneel the door and the women kneel beside the table. They are all gone now. Give me the holy water, Nora. There's a small cup still on the dresser. It isn't that I haven't said prayers in the dark night for you, Bartley, to the Almighty God. It's a great rest I'll have now. Maybe Rosep and Emon would make a coffin. When the sun rises, we have fine white birches bought and I have a new cake you can eat while you'll be working. Are there nails with them? There are not. Column. We didn't think of the nails. It's a great wonder she wouldn't think of the nails and all the coffins she's seen made already. Maurya stands up again very slowly and spreads out the pieces of Michael's clothes beside the body, sprinkling them with the last of the holy water.
She's quiet now and easy, but the day Michael was wrong, you could hear her crying out from the spring well.
An old woman will be soon tired with anything she will do.
They're all together this time, and the end is come. May the Almighty God have mercy on Bartley's soul and on Michael's soul. Michael has a clean burial in the far north by the grace of God. Bartley will have a fine coffin out of the white birch and a deep grave surely.